Hi, my name is Hapi Phace, and some people might know me from Carlotta Clowns, my band. I play at the Gene Frankel Theater in New York City, or from my Carnegie Hall show, Hapi Phace Live at Carnegie Hall at the Gene Frankel Theater. I was just folding up my map of Pompeii here, and putting it back in my Gibbon's Decline and Fall of the Roman Empire, two of my reference materials that I use quite often in my daily practice as a armchair historian of some small renown. Okay. And every time I fold and put away a map, I like to thank Strabo, who is the ancient Greek writer about geography and maps, ancient map maker, okay, who we owe so much to. And now here's, this is an ASMR unboxing video, and inside my box, Greek key box, I have some items to be unboxed, but this is the holding box, so to speak. And I have, of course, to follow the rule of three, I have three items. I have one item. I have two items. Both of these are in manila. They are, as I see, they have alchemical symbols in red on them. Oh, and here, I think, is a somewhat abstract white face, red makeup clown, I see, with a rather large grin that goes from side to side of the box. On the telephone here, I have, visiting from New York City and watching this unboxing, I have the artist LaForge, who had a recent exhibition at Howl.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I just wanted to say I'm grateful to watch this, and don't forget to watch Hapi Phace's show, Hapi Phace Live at Carnegie Hall, presented at Gene Frankel Theater.
That's right. That's in fall 2020. Anyway, so let's do this unboxing here. Of these items.
And by the way, I think I should take a little bit of credit for the title of that show.
I think that you can take credit for the nomenclature of that particular presentation, yes. But you are actually quite good at nomenclature.
But what about Hapi Phace Live at Carnegie Hall?
That's what I'm saying.
I think I said that.
And I just stated that you are responsible for the nomenclature.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
Well, I was trying. Well, that's because this is a ASMR. Oh, is Kelly here?
ASMR.
Yes. So maybe I said it very lightly, but I was giving you credit for the nomenclature. And I would like to say that Scooter actually is quite good with nomenclature. His recent exhibit at the at Howl Gallery, which it's funny, I almost called it Pompeii Gallery, but that was the gallery I used to show in the 1980s and 90s, run by Helen and Edgar Oliver. But anyway, no, at the Howl Gallery, called Homo Erectus, and I did give the ASMR tour of that show, which you can find on the Howl website. And that would be howlarts.org, I believe. And my cinematographer, Jorge Clar, from jorgeclar.com, actually was nodding his head in affirmation of that. Now, this is, so in this manila envelope, we have a bag, a gold star, knit from softest, finest, long, staple, all capital letters, cotton, and that's a registered trademark, the Gold Star. Retails at $4, and it's a double XL. It has been opened because this t-shirt, I have been advised, was actually in a silkscreen t-shirt workshop, say that 3 times fast, at Howl happening in conjunction with the Scooter LaForge exhibit entitled Homo erectus. And speaking of the nomenclature, I love that this t-shirt is congruent with the nomenclature of all the paintings in the show, which were entitled Will You Be My Girlfriend? And then it would be different, one was titled just that, but others would be entitled Mount Vesuvius, Will You Be My Girlfriend, and so forth. But it was a very Whitman-esque, I thought, to have that repetition of that nomenclature, of course, in the titling. He was a great catalog list maker, and I thought I read your the list of paintings like a Whitman poem, actually, with the repetition, which is very, actually, as you know, Homeric, that repetition. It's aid to storytelling. Yes, we love that. And I'll be featuring that in the monologue sections of my show, Hapi Phace Live at Carnegie Hall at the Gene Frankel Theater, which will premiere at the Egg Theater in Albany, New York, sometime in, I believe it's late 2019, at the Kitty Carlisle Hart Theater. It's a 982-seat theater. Follow my Instagram account, Hapi Phace, that's HAPIPHAC, for details on brown paper tickets and links, and also my Kickstarter and all the benefits you can get. And don't forget to subscribe to my Patreon channel. It's my triple double XL live broadcast and bed shows that I used to do down on Berwick Street in London and in Amsterdam by the dockside. And now we have another manila envelope that's taped shut. And so let's suspensefully see. This was a soft package, and this is a hard package. Now, cinematographer, should we do this in 3 parts, or should we just roll and make a really long video?
I think we should do 3 parts.
So let's bid adieu, and just like a British television show, we'll do 3 parts, and we'll say end of part 1, and we'll have a short intermezzo, and we'll be right back.